Hey guys, Troy here with another vlog, and today we're going to be doing sort of a different video. These could be dead, but I don't know. Fidget spinners. So, we're just going to do like a fidget spinner review on my fidget spinners, and then I'll show you like how fast they go or something. I don't know. But, yeah. I'll show you my first one that I ever got. Alright. And that is this one. It's a pretty cool fidget spinner. Goes for sort of a long time. Yeah, and that's that one. Going on to my second fidget spinner I ever had. This one sucks because my sister put it in the water. So, yeah. Yeah, that's that fidget spinner, and it's already stopped. So, yeah. And here's my next fidget spinner. This is my second fidget spinner that I ever had. Here. 1 second, guys. I'm gonna put on some. Alright. 1 second. Alright. Your turn. 1 second, guys. It's gonna be a few seconds. Alright. Just gonna put on some music, if that's alright with you guys. Alright. I don't know what to put on. I'm gonna put on this one. Oh, and this is from Top Shelf Sounds. Go check his music out. He told me I can use his music. So yeah, check him out. Here's this fidget spinner. This is my third fidget spinner. Yeah. So, alright. There's that fidget spinner. Let's go on to the last fidget spinner and the skull fidget spinner. This one's pretty cool. Yeah, so yeah. So, those are my fidget spinners. Tell me in the comments below if you want me to start like a gaming channel, like Evan, if you want me to. Just tell me in the comments. I mean, I probably will anyway, but I don't know. Like, cause Evan's doing pretty successful in his. But if you want me to, the link in the description will probably be like in the description. It'll probably be Troy Gaming. So yeah. Yeah, or I can just post them on this channel. This channel could be like a vlog gaming channel. So if you want me to do that, I can. So I'm gonna go in my sister's room and show you guys her fidget spinners. She has one more than me. That's not much. I mean, I'm not trying to be like, you know. Oh, she has more fidget spinners than me. No, I'm just gonna go to her room and see if she's done with her.
What?